Android 12 public beta is now live. Google unveiled Android 12 at its I/O 2021 keynote on Tuesday, May 18, with a redesigned user interface and enhanced privacy settings. While a stable release of the new operating system will be available later this year, you can experience some of its key features by downloading the first public beta of Android 12, aka Android 12 Beta 1, on your smartphone. It has a new interface based on a design language called Material U. The first public beta release also gives you a glimpse of the privacy settings that Google is bringing to your smartphone. Android 12 Beta 1 is available for download on Google Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL, Pixel 3a, Pixel 3a XL, Pixel 4, Pixel 4 XL, Pixel 4a, Pixel 4a 5G, and the Pixel 5. To install the beta release on your Pixel phone, you initially need to enroll your device from the Android 12 beta site. You will be required to enroll for the Android 12 beta release even if you previously enrolled in the Android 11 beta program. Once enrolled, Android 12 Beta 1 will be available for download on your phone. You can also manually check for its availability by going to Settings, then System Update, then Check for Update. It may take some time for the beta release to reach your device. If you don't own a Pixel phone, Google has announced Android 12 Beta 1 for a list of third-party smartphones that are a part of the Android 12 Developer Preview program. These phones include Asus Zenfone 8, OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro, Oppo Find X3 Pro, TCL 20 Pro 5G, Tecno Camon 17, iQOO 7 Legend, Mi 11, Mi 11 Ultra, Mi 11i, Mi 11X Pro, Realme GT, and the ZTE Axon 30 Ultra 5G. You can check for the process of installing the first public beta release of Android 12 on any of these phones by going to the manufacturing links available on the Android developers site. Google brought the first developer preview of Android 12 in February. It was at that time limited to Google Pixel phones.